Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sejo. Why can't you just stop making a bomb joke in social media? Look at Gio Malana and Mang Rodelio Daguman. Oh, they're not making bomb joke. Me, I never make bomb joke. Me and Dari Chuanico. Oh, and you please, Gina Sejo, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, enough about bomb joke. You remember in the law, oh, as I was told by John Paul Enriquez, oh, bomb joke could be imprisoned or 5-year imprisonment. If you make a bomb joke in the public and social media, do not make a bomb joke. You know what, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why are you harassing CDIFI teachers, including Teacher Marisa, Teacher May Tiburcio, including Teacher Isa Bancula, Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, Teacher Lovelyn Bilasor, even Mina Suchoy, Amalia Zakirova, Shania Kiana, and even Paula Nunez and Wawel Romero. Oh, including Drita Ziri, the Miss Earth 2023. And you please, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I will sue against you, Best Pills. Remember that. I will sue against you in the court. You didn't realize? You think you want to apologize and you want to apologize to everyone? Remember, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I had enough of your accusations. I had enough of your cyberbullying. I will never forget you call me PI word. Why you call me that words, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? You didn't learn how to say sorry to me? You didn't learn how to say sorry to everyone? You must apologize, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You call me autistic. You call me in Tagalog word, that word putang ina mo, that is the word. And you call me that? That is bad words, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I had enough about your foul languages. You know the PI word, Best Pill. That is the word in English, son of a bitch. Oh, you are a son of a bitch. You should stop your PI words. Like I said to you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, putang ina mo, Best Pills. Oh, you should never call me autistic. Tigilan mo na ako, Best Pills. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you have to stop. You do not call me autistic. And do not say PI. You know, PI word, that is really a bad words. Oh, did you see in the school, in CDIFI, oh, Teacher May Tiburcio says to me, that bad words of PI, that's really a bad word. Oh. Is this a right to say a bad words, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo? You know, Best Pills, I already blocked you on Facebook. Because my friend Tera Francisco advises me, if you see Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you need to block him. Oh. I understand him. Oh, me, I already blocked you in Facebook. Oh, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. To all everyone, I am asking to all of you, even to my friend Ekong Gonzalez and Felix, who were fan of TVJ, if you see Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, block him. Oh. I am done about you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You call me autistic, PI. You should never call autistic. And do not call me PI. You know me, I never say bad words. Oh. You, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you are a rapist, you are a criminal. You bullied Vico Soto. You bullied Shania Kiana. You bullied Drita Ziri. You bullied Teacher May Tiburcio and Teacher Marisa Conche. Even Teacher Evelyn Caja. You know, Best Pills, ha? Like I say to you, manahimik ka na, Best Pills. I am done with your nonsense. I am done with your stupidity. Shania Kiana is very stressed. All of us, we are stressed. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, why can't you just imitate Sir William Ducut? Make your own blog. Make your own blog. You make a guitar, you make singing anyway. And make your upload it in YouTube blog. Not to criticize the TVJ bloggers, including Batang Maynila Tolits, including those bloggers. Do not accuse. And first of all, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you're the one who bullied Diwata. You are the one who bullied Diwata and you called the Paris Kadiri. How would you help your grandmother if you were acting like that? Bastos ka, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, deactivate your Facebook account, Best Pills. All of your Facebook account. And you're creating a Facebook account and you want to make a public apology. That's not good. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sedjo, don't be act like that. And you, Gina Sedjo, you have to stop harassing me. And you have to stop harassing J. Rick and Joseph Maspinas and J. Rick Silva. I say to you, Gina Sedjo, tigilan mo na sila, Gina Sedjo. You know, Gina Sedjo and Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, deactivate all of your Facebook account. That's not good. Look at Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. She is fan of Diwata. She went to Pasay City. She ate the Paris of Diwata. Ma'am Jessa Fernandez says in Tagalog, masarap kaya ang Paris ni Diwata. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, just shut the both of you up. Shut the fucking both of your mouth. That's not good. Even including Diwata, Best Pills, and you call him Kadiri, that Paris. However, you call Kadiri. That's not good. What if you try that to say that to Boy Abunda about the food in Gouda? Would you ever say Kadiri? If you try the food of of Sir Calvin Cuevas, that burger, ice cream and burger and French fries, and pizza, would you ever call it Kadiri? Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, both of you are going to be in prison. And you're making a cyber libel. Even you, Victor Martin Soriano, you're criticizing TVJ. If three of you didn't learn how to stop Victor Martin Soriano, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Gina Sedjo, I will put you in the enemy list. Together with that, I move on from Rodelio Daguman, Anthony Solares, Dara May Tuason, even Anya Santos Dumaloog, and even Ivy Mantaloyola, and Jeffrey Beltran. If three of you didn't learn how to stop. Best pills, Arnel Castillo. If you try to say that the food of Nanay Banji, Nanay Banji Kadiri, Nanay Banji will kick your ass, best pill. She can brutal beaten you, best pills, Arnel Castillo. Even you, Gina Sejo. Even you, Victor Martin Soriano. Buisit kayo, best pills. Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano. It is alright to make a cyberbullying, huh?